Love a good vacation and saving money while you're away, while you're having fun. Keep watching, y'all. I got some real good tips. Smart and not spending any unnecessary coins.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.
Y'all, so we are headed to Clearwater Beach, Florida for a couple of days. But I want to first show y'all how we're doing it smart and not spending any unnecessary coins. We have some must-have snacks and even got some sandwich stuff ready, so we're not out here blowing money on lunch and dinner every single day while we're away. So first things first, when you're traveling, of course, you're going to be spending a lot of money naturally, okay? You got to pay for your hotel. If you're driving, you got to pay for gas. You got to pay for food while you're out, y'all. So we usually try and think of any and every kind of way we can save money, because who doesn't like to save money? I know we do. I don't like to overspend. Anytime I go somewhere, I tend to always spend money before we can even get away anywhere. I'm sure I'm not the only one who do that. But this time go around, we're only going away for a couple of days. You know, it may look like we're going away for a week, but we're going away for a couple of days. And I just wanted to make sure we were all prepared and made sure we had enough snacks for everybody to enjoy themselves. So we're not constantly running back and forth to a hop behind vending machine or to the hotel market, you know, where everything is just overpriced. So I did a small Walmart order this morning. And I pretty much got some necessities for our family, that is. You know, of course, when you're buying snacks, you get whatever snacks is good for you and your family. I just pretty much picked up what we like, okay? So right over here, we have a box of Belvita Crunchy Blueberry Crackers. This is a nice light snack for early in the morning when you first wake up. Sean loved these. I made sure I got snacks for everybody, something that everybody is going to love. So I got these mainly for him because he don't really munch on the real sweet things like that. So I made sure I got something that I knew he was going to like as well. But we got this right here, okay? And then aside from that, we got some Great Value Mini Chipper Cookies. These come in individual snack packs. And these cookies are just as good as Chips Ahoy, y'all. So don't let the name brand fool you. The name, Great Value, it's good. We love these cookies. They're very, very good, nice and chocolatey. And so a really, really good snack. Right over here, I love these freeze-dried fruit crisp, okay? So this package comes with a variety. They have the Asian pears, the Fuji apple, and strawberry banana. I got this pretty much for myself. I think I'm the only one who eat this. So rather than me pulling out a bag of chips and pulling out those Oreo cookies, I could pull this out, okay? A little bit more healthier, you know, getting old, getting up there, and just got to be more mindful of health. Now, I will take a snack here and there. I will still enjoy myself, but I'm just trying to do better as much as I can, okay? So, yeah, these are the fruit variety pack freeze-dried crisp. And then, right over here, we have 20 packs of the Oreo cookies. Now, these are individually wrapped. There's 2 cookies in each one. So, I mean, we're not overdoing it with, you know, a really large pack. I didn't want to get the large ones with, I believe they have, like, packages with, like, 6 or 8 cookies, the long packs. I didn't want that because sometimes we may not want to eat all those cookies at one time. And 2 is just the right amount when you just want a quick little snack, something to pop in your mouth. So this was much more convenient than those long packs of Oreo cookies. So that's why we got that. Okay. Next we have, I'm starting with all the sweet stuff first, y'all. Next we have a box of honey buns. Of course, who doesn't like honey buns? So my family like that. Yeah, we'll have some honey buns maybe. I don't think I'll eat any. It's a little bit too sweet for me. But the girls will probably like snacking on that. Next, we have over here 2 packages of the Sun Chips. This is the Harvest Cheddar. Okay, I have 2 of these. So we're going to bring these along. See, 2. Then we have a bag of Entenmann's donuts, the cinnamon kind. We love the cinnamon. The bag is a little crushed up on the side, but the donuts are still in place, so that's all that matters. We got that. And then right over here, we have the assortment of the chips. This is with the Lay's, Ruffles, Fritos, Dorito Ranch, Nacho Doritos, and the Cheetos, okay? Now, we're not going to bring this whole box. We don't need this whole box for 2 days, so we probably like take out half and leave half at home. And then right down here, I just got some chocolates, you know, something like if someone want a piece of candy or something like that. I took these out of the bag last night, and I got this yesterday. I took this out of the bag last night, and I placed these into the freezer. So these are nice and super cold. frozen, you know, so that they'll hold up until we get to the hotel. We got about an hour and a half drive. We're not that far from Clearwater. So this is in a Ziploc so that when we place this into the cooler, of course, we don't have to worry about any water getting inside. Okay, now for the drinks. Now, I don't have all the drinks here. As a matter of fact, let me just get the other drinks so I can show you guys what else we have. Okay, so for as of the drinks, we have these individual Milo sweet tea. This is the extra sweet tea. We have about 8 bottles of these. So this should be enough for everyone, of course, to get some tea. Again, we're going to be going for 2 days. So I have 8 bottles of these. And then we just got back from the store. We had to pick up a few more things. We got some Zephyros water. Now, this is the 12-ounce bottles. These are not the long, tall bottles. These are not the regular size bottles of water. I intentionally got this size because it drives me crazy to have bottles of water and then you have people open it and then they put it in the corner, they leave it there, don't drink it all, and then go grab it another one, and then you have like 2, 3, 4 open bottles of soda just laying open bottles of water just laying everywhere, not getting drunk. So so I wanted to get the smaller bottle of water, you know, this way we're not wasting as much, and this is enough to just drink, you know, in one sitting or whatever. So yeah, we got that. I had this in the deep freezer. I had this getting cold before we put it into the cooler. Then I got some Mott's apple juice. Okay, we got some Mott's apple juice. It's 6 bottles, just a 6-pack. Okay. Then back here, we got some cranberry mango ocean spray. That is also a 6-pack. Okay, so we got the 6-pack of cranberry mango ocean spray. We got the 6-pack of apple juice. We got the 12-pack of the water. And 8 bottles of Milo sweet tea. So I think that's pretty good. You know, if we should need any more, we'll just buy it. But I don't think we will need any more. I think we'll be good with this. Okay. Okay, next up after the drinks, we have some bread here. We have some sandwich bread here. Well, actually, this is the Nature's Own Hawaiian bread. We're going to use this to make peanut butter and jelly. Of course, I don't eat that. The only people who pretty much eat the peanut butter and jelly is Sean and Shania. So we're going to bring some peanut butter and jelly. We got it up there. And we're going to pack that along to take with us. I was going to make sandwiches. Usually when we go away, I make the sandwiches ahead of time and I package them up. But being that we're leaving a little later today, check-in is not until 4 o'clock, it didn't make any sense for me to make sandwiches because Sean taking us to dinner. By the time we get there, we're going straight to dinner. So we're not going to eat the sandwiches today. And we just don't want them to sit around overnight getting soggy, you know? Who wants a soggy sandwich? I know we don't. So we just going to bring the fixings to make the sandwiches tomorrow. Tomorrow will be our first full day on the beach. So at least we'll have some lunch for midday so that we don't have to go run into any restaurant buying food or anything like that. We'll just save the restaurant for tomorrow evening when we go back to the restaurant for dinner. So this bread we're going to bring for the PB&J sandwiches. And then we got 2 packages of rolls. We have a pack of the long rolls for anyone who may want to use a long roll for cold cut sandwiches. And then we have this package of round rolls as well for anyone who may want to use the round rolls for the cold cut sandwiches. Now, as far as the cold cuts, I got a package of hard salami. Shania and Sean eat that. I got a package of honey ham. That's Oscar Mayer. I got a package of honey turkey breast. Mesquite smoked turkey breast. Okay. Also Oscar Mayer. And then we got another honey ham. Now, the reason why I got 3 is because we went to Publix, and of course, this was a BOGO. This was a buy 2, get 1 free. Okay, that's why I love Publix for some things. Publix can be high, but don't sleep on those buy 1, get 1 frees. You know, make sure you keep an eye out on their circular because sometimes they be running some really good deals with the buy 1, get 1 free. Okay, so since we're making sandwiches, this right here, I just wrapped up 2 knives and a spoon in a cloth on the inside of this bag, and I put it into a small Ziploc. Okay, I put it right into a small Ziploc to keep these, you know, safe, so no one cut themselves, of course. And this is going to be packaged up so that we'll have a knife and a spoon for when it's time to make the sandwiches. Unfortunately, I forgot to get plastic knife and plastic spoon, so we're just going to have to take it from home. It's okay. Also, let me see, what else? I think there's some, oh, okay. We got some Miracle Whip. We love Miracle Whip, but I have to grab the regular mayo for the rest of the family. Everybody don't eat Miracle Whip. I love Miracle Whip on my sandwiches. I know a lot of people's like, how could you eat that Miracle Whip? Girl, I grew up on this, okay? I need Miracle Whip on my sandwich, so I'm going to grab the mustard and regular mayo as well. And, of course, you got to have some napkins, and I wanted to get some really good napkins. You know, I didn't want the little cheapy paper ones. I wanted some really good ones, so this is the Vanity Fair extra absorbent napkins. All right, so this is pretty much what we have right now. I'm going to get ready to just package everything up. Oh, and over here, I did get some brown sandwich bags so that when we go to the beach tomorrow, when we make our sandwiches, we each can put our sandwiches into a little brown paper bag with our little snacks on the inside and bring it on down to the beach. It'll be nice and convenient so everybody know where their food at, you know. Yeah. And also, one more thing. Of course, we had to get some fruit. So we have some cotton candy grapes here, as well as some cutie mandarin oranges. Okay, so I'm going to get ready to go ahead and package all these things up into our picnic bags so we can get on and get dressed and get on out of here.
I don't like to see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there, but I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you new love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow. I do it all for you to prove I gotcha. You see how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't let go of me. Drawing close, all out desperately when you need me the most. I am God, I'm your own. Don't let go. Keep holding on. see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there, but I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you new love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow.